Investing isn't hard. It just feels hard. Not because the rules are complicated, and not because the information is hidden. It feels hard because your brain is fighting you from the very beginning. If opening an investing app makes you nervous, or you freeze when markets drop, or you keep telling yourself you'll start later, this video is for you. Most people don't fail at investing because they're dumb. They fail because psychology sabotages them. You can work hard your whole life and still feel completely stuck because the real enemy isn't the market. It's what's happening inside your head. From a young age, we're trained to fear loss. Losing money hurts more than gaining money feels good. This is called loss aversion. It helped humans survive, but in investing, it becomes a problem. Investing rewards patience. Your brain sees every dip as danger, so people panic. They sell low, then they buy high. The market isn't out to trick you. Your emotions are. Most people stay poor for 3 reasons. Fear stops you from starting. Comfort stops you from staying consistent. Short-term thinking kills compounding. Time keeps moving anyway. Now let's talk about the solution. Because once psychology clicks, investing gets simple. First, accept this. Investing is supposed to be boring. Boring means predictable. Predictable builds wealth. The best investors aren't the smartest. They're the most consistent. Automate your investing. Remove emotion from the process. Next, reframe market drops. A crash isn't a threat. It's a discount. Panic locks in losses. Staying invested allows recovery. Then extend your time horizon. Stop thinking in months. Start thinking in decades. Wealth comes from time in the market. Picture yourself 10 years from now. Same income, same opportunities. The difference won't be luck. It will be psychology. You don't need secret strategies. You don't need perfect timing. You need emotional control. When emotions get loud, discipline keeps you moving. Investing isn't hard. Your psychology is holding you back. And once you fix that, financial freedom becomes possible.